Welcome to 6 Seconds, the global leader in emotional intelligence. Today, we're walking you through your free introductory report, the Unlocking Emotional Intelligence, or UEQ, profile. The UEQ profile is based off of a 77-question assessment that explores your emotional intelligence. If you haven't taken your assessment yet, you can do so with the provided link. If you have taken it, let's take a look at what the report says about your emotional intelligence. The report is broken up into 3 sections: life success, leveraging your EQ, and action steps. Let's start at the top. Life success is all about how things are going in your life right now. The Now section highlights your strengths, the areas of your life you are least satisfied with, and your personal and professional life balance. You also have a Future section, where you can map out how you'd like to see that paragraph change over time. Now let's look at leveraging your EQ. Here we list 3 areas: know yourself, choose yourself, and give yourself. They are listed in order of your strengths. If you'd like to hear more about this model, stay tuned until the end to hear our suggestions for your next steps with EQ and 6 seconds. Lastly, we have action steps. Here we have 3 potential steps to take and questions to ask that have been selected according to your answers to the assessment questions. So now that you know how to read your report, what can you do next? Attend a Grow You session. Check out our e-learning version of these courses. Or you can go deeper with the UEQ certification course, where you'll learn more about the KCG model you just looked at and how to apply it to your personal and professional life. To learn more about EQ and what we do at 6 Seconds, check out more of our videos, follow us on social media, or take a look around our website. Thank you for watching.